Hello, I'm going to show you how to install the hanger for your ornaments. So this is a piece of twill tape. It's about, I should have measured it, it's about 12 inches long. It really depends on how long you want your ornament to hang, so it can be shorter, and working with a shorter piece is easier. You can see that I've done the blanket stitch up to about the midpoint on this ornament. This is a heart. I pulled out of storage from last year. And Wonderclips come in really handy at this time. So I'm going to take the hanger and I'm going to insert it into the heart. And then I'm going to use a Wonderclip to just sort of hold it in place. And I'm going to continue my blanket stitch around here, making sure that I put several stitches into the twill tape to keep it into place. So here we go. And make sure that your hanger doesn't get caught in your thread. You can kind of hold it down the back with your finger so that it's not in the way. Couple more stitches here. You will need to flip it back forward when you get to this point. So I'm going to take that clip out. I'm holding it between my thumb and my forefinger in the back, and I do need to sort of let it dangle loose here so that I can not catch it in the thread. And this is the first part. So I'm putting in the stitch from behind here, and that's catching the twill tape on the inside. You can sort of see it there. And through. And then I'm going to bring the thread around the back and around the other side of the twill tape, but making sure I catch it again. And honestly, once this is, hanging on the tree, no one is gonna notice if you make a mistake. And if you want it to be less visible, don't use a contrast color thread. But you can put an extra stitch in there if you want to at this point or not, but that's basically how you put the twill tape hanger in.